Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create community group in WhatsApp a business account iPhone. So first thing that you will do is open the WhatsApp business. And from here, once you have opened it up guys, just simply go ahead and go to the chats tab over here. So once you are on the chat tabs at the bottom, just simply tap on this icon, the pencil icon on the top right corner of the screen beside the camera. So tap on that. And from here, tap on a new group. And from here, just simply select the members that you want to invite. So from here, once you have done that, just tap on next. And from here, just simply provide a group name. So let's say I'm going to go for business. And from here, you can toggle as well the disappearing messages option, which the messages disappeared after 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. And you can go for group permission, which you will have here advanced features of the group. And once you have set up your group, just simply tap on create. And from there, you'll be able to create a group. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.